Hey. I'll end you. Guys, challenge. Trade 3D prints for lottery tickets. Today, I'll use this TOOCAA PSC to print toys for the boss. I've used this machine for over 2 months now. It prints models cleanly and efficiently, almost no post-processing needed. And it's extremely stable. No fear of failing halfway on multiple projects. Hey, wait, it's still fine. Hey, hello, boss. I want some scratch-off tickets. We have all kinds here, 5 yuan, 10 yuan, and 20 yuan ones. Can I trade something for them? Aren't you going to ask what I'm trading? Whatever it is, my stuff is good. Hey, no matter how good the item, we don't trade, but I can show you. Ugly, ugly. Then we don't need it either. Look at this door hanger. You don't want it? How about this? You already have enough food decorations for the door. Standing up? No need. Boss, take another look at this. What is it? Hey. Huh, damn. This money, is there support for 9 people? A money tree, ah. Okay. Then there's more. Look at the red envelopes. You printed a god of wealth with so many goodies. What good things do you have? Take out the wine, sets. And also, this isn't, hey. This isn't, hey. This, let me see. Hey, I loved playing with this as a kid. Boss, why are you so mischievous? Boss, do you think this is like paying taxes? Keys, there are keys. Hey, come on, let me help you open it. I have the keys, come on. Look. Hey. Boss, you gave me pliers. I'll let you. Look at these 3, they're awesome. These aren't expensive. Not expensive. Right now, it's JD.com's New Year sale. Search Office New Trend 666 to go to the event. Like my TOOCAA PSC, it's on sale now. Buy now with a coupon and save 500 yuan. You can get it for just 3,999 yuan. And it comes with lots of consumables. Look, the new year is almost here. Isn't it great to buy a printer and make toys for kids? This won't do. Look at this horse, it's cool. What does JD.com's brother Chang want to excel in? Lu Huaqiang, JD.com's Lu Changdong gave a horse to his village, and it was 3D printed. I'll give you the exact same thing. Then there's this. You can put these in your shop as decorations, right? No. We also have these red envelopes. Originally, they were mine. Look at this red envelope, look. Put the money in here, like this. Isn't it cool to trade these for a lottery ticket? Ah. This works, this works. Look at this small decoration, look, then get me a lottery ticket, boss. Just give me one of the 20 yuan ones. Bro, that one is too expensive. Every time, I just want one. Jackpot, guys. 150. Hey, Zhangxi. That's great luck. Definitely. Boss is lucky because of you. Right? Then thank you, boss. Hey, no problem. Hey, there's so much stuff here. It makes me embarrassed. No problem. Boss is leaving now. Hey, okay, bye-bye then. Hey, take care. Exchange successful, guys.